I'm from the Western African market. Our shop is on Style to South Main Street. I don't know if anybody knows South Winter. Yeah, I'm there. So I'm going to be showing us how to make this African donuts. It's called coffee. First of all, I'm going to show you the one on the tumble so that you can see how strong ice cream look. This is ice cream. One like that is good for me. Oh, really? So, but after you have a choice of filling anything you want with chocolate, spring syrup, caramel, yes. So it's good. And we have this called chin chin. It's like a dough that we cut in pieces and fry it and mash it up so you can sprinkle it with too if you want. So this is my partner in crime. And this is my name is Tolu. So I'm going to be the one writing the dough for everybody today. So what we did was, because of timing, it has timing like if you mix it, we from type all the ingredients in it, and it shows you how to do it in 1 minute. And you can just like when it's rice, afterwards you can use the leftover, you can put it in the fridge and put another, you can fry it another. But now we might not be able to have time to fry this one. I'll take it. So everything is there, cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, all the ingredients. I pass it on so that we can. Sorry. Yes, look at the ingredients. Yeah. I like that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So as soon as you go out the dough, the flour, and the not everything. It's better to use the plastic. My neighbor said, yeah, mix it as the instructions say, add 1.5 cup of water. Then start warming it up. Press out on it, to make it. Make sure you get everything. Can't get boss to do this. So, I already washed my hand and everything.
It's like making a meatball, just like meatball, just things in it. Okay. Dough that they've already fried.
Make sure you get it right so that all the lumps and sugar.
Still, I just know what you exit.
Yep.
It's 502 South Main Street.
So really warm up, because assuming the oil is already ready, as soon as I pour it in there, it's supposed to come up.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for the oil to get in.
Okay. Will you tell me one more time what you said?
I'm about to start frying, but I can't start frying until the oil gets hot.
Okay.
If it doesn't get hot, if I put it in there, it will sit on the bottom.
Yes.
The oil is well done. Once I put it there, it comes from by itself.
Okay.
It needs to really like come by itself. That's why you know that you're doing it right.
Okay. That feels important. Thank you.
Alright, but if you don't, you can always use it.
Okay.
Put it like next to like the warm temperature. Okay. Like she's cooking now, I'm just gonna put it right here. So that helps it to rise up. So after it's finished rising, then it's start. frying.
I'm still waiting on the oil to get
So
hot.
put your oil on medium side. So that
But you can regulate it because if the oil is too hot, once you put it there, it gets brown quickly and will not be done.
So it doesn't cook inside. How much oil do you put in?
Because it's a deep frying, you're gonna use a lot of oil so that it's deep frying.
Would you use like a canola oil?
and
Whichever you like.
Whichever you like. Okay.
it says vegetable oil, but we're using canola.
But you're using oil, not like Crisco or not the solid stuff, it's the oil. I like that.
Not the spray one.
Oh,
The real oil.
Yes, canola oil.
Just a little bit. Yes.
No, it's not gonna come out right. It's supposed to be deep fried.
But you can warm it in the oven after, for like 2 minutes.
Because when it's very hot, you get like this, it tastes very good. But after a while, it settles, 1 minute again, and to put in the microwave for like 30 seconds. So it changes. Yeah, no, I can see that. But when it's fresh like this, it's sand.
See, while we wait for the oil, what other sort of stuff do you have in your store? I can't even stop.
Oh,
So it's on your Facebook that you're looking up. Well, so if someone like me come in your store and I'm not familiar with Africa, and I say, well, I like this sort of stuff. Because I've gone into lots of international stores, you go into, up into Boston, there's like Turkish stores, and Appa doesn't say English, I want to go to Cam Man, and I like to bring Wayne with me, because I'm on the packaging stay. So as I said, if we stopped in, how much of the stuff could we read?
You can sell spinach, frozen vegetables, I sell frozen fish, broken fish, mackerel, tilapia, and so that. We don't really sell only Africans. I have varieties of things we sell rice. Like for the chapati,
Yeah.
I sell rice, and strawberry. I sell all kinds of things. I sell bread, African bread.
That's exciting, I love it right now.
You know, we love our dough to be like a little bit hard. It's not like a wheat.
Yeah.
I sell wheat too. I sell wheat bread, yeah. Most of our bread are sliced. If you want sliced one, you can still have it. You don't like to just cut it out. Beauty of it.
Yeah.
And there are some foods too.
Yeah, we sell cow feet, so smoked birds, smoked fish. We have canola oil, we have red oil from Africa, spicy oil, red oil from Africa. And we have something called egusi. I don't know if anyone has heard of that. We had about egusi.
No, but the palm oil, can you use that to fry or?
You can use it to fry meats. Just a little bit, but it's not really recommended.
For what?
Because to cook this, the meal in Africa is called egusi soup. So you use it to cook. It's mixed with the egusi seed and spinach. You can use spinach with it. Okay. So it's like, you can put anything you want. You can put shrimp, meat, protein, cow meat, anything.
The palm oil is
It's the one
It's
that
like
makes it.
it's like when you have palm oil, it gives you some kind of flavor.
oh,
It adds some a little flavor to it, different from this oil that we use. So, as an African, we love a put the flavor a little bit. We want to feel it in our tongue when we eat it.
So we sell
Like an Asian dishes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
exactly.
Well, you stir fry.
And we also sell things from Africa. We have our own strips. It's called strips. Even right now, it's a big leader. It's in the order. So we have body meats, mutton meats.
Then you can say that.
Do you know what a turn is?
Yeah, you can use it.
Yeah.
We want to pass the pot and see what it looks like.
Sure. Yeah, you can go around and see. Yeah, run into the light. Yeah.
Yeah. We walk. Can't see over there. Not the people.
You see that's when you're like around. Or somebody that doesn't know.
I
Sometimes have a fall with their chips. That's absolutely
Yes, I mean, you can just
take it and put it in there. You're all right.
side. They're like on maybe be close together.
All right.
Wow.
Sticky shit. I'm sorry.
So it does like they're brown, like on the outside.
I will.
So you got like little bit there.
I changed it. Yes.
It's just my stuff to do.
Yeah, I just everything.
Yeah, create again first. Someone got to go from the whole good stuff. I was actually
No, like in yeah, Asian accent.
my neighbor's similar.
usually,
Yeah.
I like to think that I rather like the no limits. Yes, it's very nice.
What's the taste of the wine? Is there any sweetness? Is it?
No, there's ginger in it, there's some cinnamon, there's, I mean, nutmeg,
Okay.
nutmeg, yes.
Okay.
But if you want to put everything to the fine.
You should have a cup, you should have one at this plane, yeah.
I always see this.
She must leave it. Actually, our first year she came I think it legislation. Yeah. Experiment time. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Say please, sorry. Well, I tried to get her because it's good for but now she was going to be.
You're so perfect. Smell it too.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
we have a friend.
Because I don't
Like smells like apple.
that's really good.
Like a fritter. Maybe after I finish frying it, you can do whatever you do. But before you fry it, it's not gonna look good.
That works. Not a healthy recipe.
No.
Okay, she's
No, that's right, please.
Now, if you use the whole bag,
It says it makes 30 cents.
I said,
Exactly, we can keep the rest of it mixed in with sugar.
Put in the fridge. One for
No, I get it. The growing world, like, I'm not sure.
Here's your money, Shar, yeah.
She would be confused. She'd be like,
You like it?
Oh, thank you so much. So, O-L-U. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're also related, and you're related.